AI is rapidly evolving, and its future holds exciting possibilities that could transform various aspects of our lives. AI is set to revolutionize healthcare by assisting in diagnostics, predicting patient outcomes, and personalizing treatment plans. Example: AI can analyze medical images to detect diseases at an early stage. AI can offer personalized learning experiences to adapt educational content to fit individual students' needs and learning styles. This can make education more accessible and effective. AI can analyze environmental data to predict natural disasters, optimize energy usage, and aid in conservation efforts, like AI models that can monitor deforestation and wildlife populations. From autonomous vehicles to smart homes, AI is poised to make daily life more efficient and convenient. Self-driving cars, for example, use AI-powered large language models to navigate and make driving decisions. AI is transforming workplaces by automating routine tasks, allowing employees to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their jobs. This can lead to increased productivity and job satisfaction. AI is influencing the entertainment industry by generating music, art, and even writing scripts. This is opening new possibilities for creativity and content creation.
Artificial intelligence, are we the masters or the herd? Eyes that see what I can't see. Circuits dream what I'll never be. Code that corrects the human.
As AI continues to advance, staying informed and adaptable will help us harness its potential to improve our lives. Embracing lifelong learning, being open to new technologies will be the key to navigating the future. Till next time, tot ziens.